Hello, today I'm in Ford F150. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable auto lights. In the beginning, let's take a look next to the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel you can enable position lights, dipped beam and auto lights by selecting the last position like this. Let's take a look at the instrument cluster and switch the buttons. Now position lights are enabled, now dipped beam is enabled, and if you switch to the end, auto lights are enabled but the icon is gone. And that's basically it. If you find the video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.